If you didn't spend all your money on Black Friday deals, here are some Cyber Monday deals that you might want to check out. These are deals that I feel like are some actually decent deals if you're going to be spending money on camera gear, lighting, audio, SSDs, and some other items. And just in case you were wondering, yes, I have the sickness, 'tis the season. Now let's jump into these deals. This first deal is one of the best ones I have seen for Black Friday or for Cyber Monday this year. The Samsung T9 portable SSD, the 1TB version, is 32% off. Then if you go through, the 2TB version is 25% off, and the 4TB version is also 25% off. This is an awesome SSD if you're looking to pick one up. This is a really good deal, especially if you only need a 1TB. 32% off is a steal. This is a great time to stock up because everybody needs hard drives. Next up, let's talk about some lighting equipment. These newer bicolor 660 LED light panels are incredible. Right now they're 29% off. These lights are awesome. You can find the little softbox attachment just to throw over the panel, and this is literally what I used for the first several years. It also comes in the RGB version, and that's 10% off for a 2-pack like the bicolor version, but of course they can do whatever color you might need. Incredible little lights for a super cheap price. The Smallrig RF10C is still on sale for 34% off. I've talked about this light so much. If you've watched any of my other videos, I love this light. I think everyone should have one. It's so useful. In fact, I'll throw it in the background right now just so that you can see what it looks like. Super easy to just throw a little design on the background and change up your shot. Love this little flashlight, you should check it out. Next up, the Aperture B7C bulb. Again, I talk about these all the time because I think they are such a good tool to have in your filmmaking toolkit. They're still 20% off, lowest price in 30 days as of recording this video. Check those out. Super useful. I've used them as key lights before. I put them in lamps in the background. They work great as accent lights. Now, they're actually running a sale now on the Aperture Amaran T4C tube lights. I'm using 2 of these in the background. I don't know if you can see, I have one right there, and I also have one on the floor. These things are fantastic. I use them all the time. I love the 4-foot versions, and right now they're 15% off, but they also have a 2-foot version that's 15% off if you want a smaller light. I'm using that right now as like a hair light that's giving that blue overhead light. These are super fun. You can do any color with them. They're super bright, and you would just be surprised how much you actually end up using tube lights. They come with a little battery wand so that you can just charge the battery and use them without plugging them in, and they also come with a power supply. Also on sale, 15% off, is the Amaran F22X. That's what I'm using as my key light right now. This is my favorite panel light ever. It looks incredible. It's super soft if you add both layers of diffusion and the lantern attachment, which is how I'm usually running it. Fantastic soft key light, and this is a great deal to get it 15% off right now. And real quick, I just wanted to let you know that I'm doing a holiday gear giveaway. The bundle includes a Hollyland Lark Mark II combo kit, the Smallrig RF flashlight, a 1TB Samsung T7 Shield hard drive, the FTF Gear corner tube light, and a Helios 44-2 58mm vintage lens. So be sure to click that link in the description to enter to win. It's completely free. It's a giveaway bundle that I'm doing for the first time. So just hit that link down in the description to enter to win. Now let's talk about some microphones. The Hollyland Lark M2S, which is a great little clip-on, like slide-on style microphone, is 43% off right now. It's awesome, it's super useful. This thing is just super tiny, super discreet, and it sounds great. So check that out for 43% off. Also, the Hollyland Lark M2 is on sale 20% off as a Cyber Monday deal. That's what I'm using right now. This is my personal favorite wireless mic. I love the size. It sounds incredible. The combo kit comes with all your receivers to use it with your Lightning, USB-C, or with your camera jack. Great little mic. The DJI Mic Mini is still on sale, 45% off. I haven't personally used this mic, but there are so many great reviews online about this little mic. I have the DJI Mic 1s and the DJI Mic 2, and they're awesome mics. I actually think the DJI Mic 1 has the best sound, but because it's a little bit larger, I tend to go for the Hollyland Lark M2 more. Anyway, the Mic Mini is on sale for 45% off. You can check that deal out. The Deity VMic D4 Mini is on sale, 22% off. This is an awesome little budget on-camera mic. I actually just got this in. There'll be a video coming on that when I review it. But from everything I've heard online, everyone raves about this little mic and says it's incredible. So if you want to check that out, I haven't used it yet, but I've heard so many great things about it. And right now it's 22% off if you need a little shotgun mic to put on your camera for vlogging or just to get better in-camera audio. Also on sale for 19% off is the Sennheiser MKE 400. Again, I haven't personally used this one, but I have wanted to buy it for a long time, and I'm probably personally gonna pick up this sale. While it's on sale for 19% off, I'm probably gonna get this one. So I just wanna let you know about this deal. Again, tons of filmmakers use this and have great things to say about it online if you wanna look up some videos on it. Now let's talk about some cameras. The Sony a7 IV is still on an incredible deal of 26% off. So be sure to check that out if you're looking to upgrade, if you're looking to get a B cam. This is an awesome camera. I've personally used this and it just gets the job done for photo and for video. The Sony FX30 is 14% off. This is an awesome little APS-C camera. It really packs a punch for the size and price that you get with this. So check that out if you're interested in kind of getting a camera that's more video focused. Next up is the Osmo Pocket 3. Love this little camera, it's awesome for vlogging. It's 32% off, and I know this may irritate some people like, oh, it used to cost this much. That was pre-tariffs. The post-tariff price has been really high, so having the price finally come back down is a really good deal that you should probably pick up while they are able to keep the price this low. Love this little camera. It comes with the combo kit so you can get the microphone. Excellent for travel, vlogging, overhead shots. Just a really useful little camera to have. But if you're not wanting to spend quite that much money, there is the extra Muse vlogging camera, and I watched Think Media's video on that. Be sure and go check that out if you want to see a comparison between this and the Pocket 3. It was impressive how similar it is and the possibilities that the DJI might have made this actual camera and just put it under this different name brand. But right now, huge sale, it's 40% off if you're wanting to get something that's basically a replica of the DJI Pocket 3, but for a cheaper price. Again, I haven't personally used this, but I watched Think Media's video on that and they did a complete test. Really interesting. If you want to check it out, I'll link that below. Also on sale right now for 25% off is the DJI Osmo Action 4. This is the little action cam that I personally use. There's the newer one, I think they came out with an Action 5, and I think they just released the Action 6, but just check out whichever one of those models that you're wanting to get. But the Action 4 is 25% off for the whole bundle with extra batteries and all the little attachments and everything that you get with it. This is a super fun little action camera. There's not really much to say about that. It's an action camera. Check it out. It's on sale if you want one. The Sirui Aurora 85mm f1.4 lens is still 12% off, but if you shoot with a Leica L mount, it's 15% off. So you save even more for Cyber Monday if you get the Leica L mount of this lens. I have it for Sony. This is an incredible little 85mm prime. Next up is this K&F Concept little magic arm. I literally just purchased this. I'm excited for it to come in, but it's 36% off, and I thought it was just the perfect time to get an extra little magic arm. These are so useful for clamping things down, mounting something somewhere where if you need it. And right now, while they're so cheap, it doesn't hurt to have a couple of these on hand. I also just picked up the K&F Concept mini desk tripod. I have a little Manfrotto plastic one that's a mini tripod, but it's all plastic and it's just not working how I really want it to. So I wanted something a little bit more sturdy, a little bit more durable, and a little bit more well-made. So I personally just picked up with this deal that's 15% off for the K&F Concept mini tripod. I also picked up this Tilta charger where you can charge 4 batteries at a time. They make it for different ones, whether you use Canon or Sony. And I actually picked this up on the recommendation of Chris Brockhurst. So check out his video if you want to, but it's 20% off, and I just wanted to see if this charger beats the one that I currently own, which is the Jupio Tri-Charge. It's also on sale right now for 23% off, and I can't wait for the Tilta one to come in because I'm gonna do a comparison of which one charges faster, because this one only charges 3 batteries at a time. The Tilta one charges 4, and it's supposed to be fast charging. So I'm going to do a test to see which one works better, and that'll probably be the one that I kind of switch over to as my main charger. But you can never have too many chargers. At some point, you need every battery that you own to be charged, and instead of swapping them all out, you could just charge them all at one time. So check those 2 chargers out. They're both running a sale right now for Cyber Monday. Anyway, that was just some Cyber Monday deals and leftover Black Friday deals that I thought were actually decent deals if you're looking to buy gear. Camera gear, it seems like never really goes on sale. So even though these sales are small percentage sales, this is a great time of year to take advantage of them because they never get discounts ever. So when we do get small discounts and you're looking to purchase gear, this is a great time to do it. Anyway, if you like this video, be sure to check out this video right over here.